What's up, you guys? This is going to be video one of who knows how many of day trading with a small account in 2020. Won't go into a big history here, but I started day trading with a small account last week. I've been trying to learn since January, trading small cap, low float stocks primarily, and primarily trading them short. I would like to keep these videos as a log for myself to see how I'm doing, but for now we're just gonna go. I opened a $2,000 account and we're trading small. We are going to trade small, and see what we can make happen. I know a lot of people are gonna say you can't make money with a $2,000 account. Reality is I have a $27,000 account, so I'm $2,000 above PDT. And I'm gonna trade that $27,000 account like it's a $2,000 account until I get comfortable. And I know a lot of people can't do that if you're in America. But I'm hoping this still gives a somewhat realistic look into what we can accomplish with small share size, and see what happens. So last week was my first week trading a full week with the live account, and it was tough. I gotta say, I was a demo king before I went live, and now the emotions have gotten the better of me. So it was a red week for me. I think I lost $20, but I learned a lot. So I think in this channel I want to go in a little bit. We'll go into my trader view and I'll look at that. If anyone ever has questions about my specific trades or charts, I'm happy to do recaps to share those. But I want there to be some kind of resource out there for people who have a very small account and are just looking to get started and are not looking to get rich this year. I just want to make this a career. I think it's so cool. I think it's so much fun, and I can get into the reasons why I think that on another video. This is just an introduction. This is my cat Figaro. He's awesome. Cool, so let's go into the trader view account here and recap the week. Okay, so here we are in my trader view account. I just started this account because I've been told by multiple people that this is the best way to really keep track of your trades throughout the year, and it gives you really good data and analytics on kind of what you're doing. So I'm on the free version right now. It's called Trader View, V-U-E. If I end up loving it, I might upgrade to the paid version. But right now, the free version seems to be working for me. So let's go into the week. Monday, I lost $20 right off the bat, but I kept it chill. I kept it slow. Felt good about it. Tuesday and Wednesday were both good days. Felt pretty strong about these. And then Thursday came. And this is the day that I met ADTX. ADTX was a stock that was, look at all this. This is pages of me messing this up. So this was a stock that had 1 to 2 million float, rotating its float like crazy in the morning, pre-market, and something I wouldn't usually trade, something I knew to stay away from, yet I felt like I had to trade it, and I don't know why. That happens sometimes, So I'm going to show you my chart from this trade, and it's a little embarrassing because I'm not a trader that clicks a lot of buttons. Each one of these buttons, especially with someone like me who's trading their account as a $2,000 account, costs money. So if I'm in and out with 100 shares, this is costing me at least $1 every time I'm clicking this, and I think I clicked it 70 times. But as you can see right out of the open, this line is the open right here. I shorted a little bit and covered real quick because I knew that this was going to squeeze. I just knew it. And then sure enough, there it goes. It squeezes. And at that point, I should have just been watching. But for some reason, I was emotional, getting in and out and really just threw my plan out the window. I like to trade stocks and short stocks that are overextended, away from the 13 EMA, away from VWAP being the purple line right here. nope, this was right here and I'm trying to short it. So eventually it finally halts up, and I unfortunately made an order error at meaning to cover. I was in a short position, meant to cover my short right here going into the halt. I added to it. So now I'm short double, my full size into a halt. Covered all of it at the top. And at that point, this was a nightmare. I'm down hundreds and hundreds of dollars. I don't even know what to do with myself. I was able to gather myself enough to reshort up here and cover down into this wash. Luckily that helped. And right there, I should have taken the manageable loss. But no, I had to just keep going and going and going and going and shorting and covering and shorting and covering. Covered one more time here at the top. I can't even tell you really what was happening through most of this. Tried to short weakness here. And then I realized at the end of this, this is a 2 million share float stock, give or take. Super, super high volume. It's the only thing trading this day. This was the hot chick of the day. And I'm trying to, fight with it. If I would have stuck to my normal process and just shorted every pop, waited, shorted here, covered into the wash. Really big pop, covered into the wash. Really big pop, covered into the wash. Covering into VWAP every time, I would have been fine. Shorted here, cover into this wash, not over here, because I'm hoping it's going to break VWAP and head down, 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 down here. Didn't do that. So I fought with it a few more times. I was able to basically scalp some of my money back. This was a $500 loss at one point, and I got it back down to 200, as you saw. So this is not what my charts look like generally. Usually, my charts look like this. I'm trying to short here, and then it's not happening for me. I cover. I wait for a big pop. I wait for some overextension. I short. I cover. This obviously went a lot lower, but that's the idea behind my personal strategy or my personal style. So this was a nightmare. It kind of shook my confidence, so my biggest goal on Friday was just to be freaking green, which I did. I got green on Friday, really tried to manage my risk. I did try to short ADTX again and didn't let it even try to go against me. But a lot of these I covered way too early. KZIA I covered way too early. So yeah, that's the gist of the first week. So I'm gonna just keep doing these. I'm gonna keep updating, and hopefully we're gonna start with this every time, and we're gonna see a lot more green squares. Or if we see red ones, they're not triple the size of the green ones, like this. So yeah, that's it. If you guys want to see more charts, if you guys want to actually talk strategies and talk trading, and I'd love to get a conversation going. So let me know what you think, and I will talk to everybody soon. All right.